the video to the end. Let me tell you the difference between Skinfree Milk and Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. Which of them whiten the skin in 7 days? Beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share my video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. We generate tracking number for you to track your goods 3 to 5 working days. Your goods to get to you at your doorstep. Whether you're buying product from 𝐿𝐼𝐓𝐇, whether you're not buying product from 𝐿𝐼𝐓𝐇, let 𝐿𝐼𝐓𝐇 ship for you. We are the #1, the champion. Also go to my website and shop at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Yes, our skincare product is there. Our Arabian, our Snow White, our 𝐓𝐾, our porcelain is on the website at an affordable price. Also, we sell original branded product. Go to the website and shop. And you always asking me of prices. All prices are on the website. I love you guys so much. Today, I'll be talking about a product. You understand me? This product has been in the market for so many years. Yes, it's called Skinfree Milk. Yes, Skinfree Milk. Yes, guys, you can see it. Skinfree Milk just changed. Let's say they just launched a new bottle. You understand? You know, the high rate of Skinfree Milk has really give them a downside of their business. Skinfree Milk, they've changed their bottle like 2 to 3 times. You understand me? And then they start crashing their name Skinfree Milk on the bottle. You understand? This is the new one now. You can see it. You can see how it is now. The high rate of imitation on this product is alarming. You understand me? And it has really put a downside on their product. See it. That is why you see so many people complaining. I use Skinfree Milk today, it work. I use Skinfree Milk tomorrow, it did not work. Because the imitation in the market is high. You understand me? As of, I think early this year, look at, if you look at the bottle very, very closely, you see that this place is different. You can see it. And because of this imitation, you understand me? Today, they will show us this one. Tomorrow, they will show us this one. And this product, when they came out, it was a strong whitening serum. You understand me? But for now, because of the imitation, today you might buy the original. Tomorrow you might buy the imitation. And that kind of thing is not good for skin. It's not good for production. That's why some people, they will say, I use Skinfree Milk, I have white patches. I use Skinfree Milk, I got some reaction. You understand me? When we were using Skinfree Milk way back then, some years ago, like 5-6 years ago, it's not like that. When you use half of Skinfree Milk, then you will get result. But for now, it's not like that. Because of the high rate of imitation, the high rate of fake, you understand me? That is it. It has really brought a downside of this product. A lot of people have asked me, Mommy Kira, I don't want to use it again because I'm a little bit scared. I might buy today, I might see result. Tomorrow I might buy, I might get another reaction or result. You know, which product can I use? Me too, because of this imitation and original fake. Today you will see original, tomorrow you will see fake. You understand me? Me, I don't use Skinfree Milk anymore. You guys know Mommy Kira now. I don't lie. I cannot lie to you guys. I always speak the truth. Like before, if I want to produce, I go and check my old videos. You see anything that I want to produce, lightening lotion, I always use Skinfree. But I don't use Skinfree Milk anymore because me too, you know, because of the imitation is too much. You understand me? Because of the imitation is too much, the fake is too much. You understand me? That is when I switched. Since going to 2 years, I've not even used this product. You know, I cannot parrot for you guys. You understand me? Because all my customers, they want to shege. They want to fufu. Fufu. That's why I scout out for Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. People will ask me, Mommy Kira, look for a very good serum that work, that will make me fufu, that will make me light. No white dots, no green vein, no white patches. I will recommend Secret White Strong Whitening Serum for you guys. You know me now. That's how I said, always watch my video. My real subscriber, my real followers, they know I don't hide updates. I've been talking about this product since last year, telling people that I found a new update to product that work. You understand me? Product that work very well. Then as of 2 years ago, 3 years ago, you see me talking about Skinfree Milk, talking about glutathione. When I'm doing videos, when I was even doing trainings, I was putting it, but the high rate of imitation, fake, it's too much. It's too much. Now it makes the product stop giving result. Sometimes when you produce it, some customer will say, I have white patches, I have reaction on my skin. It's because of the imitation everywhere. You understand me? The company, they are changing their bottle. Look at it now. So you not think that Mommy Kira is giving you. I'm telling you guys the truth. See, they just change the bottle now. Before you know it, imitation will start again with this bottle again. You understand me? Me, what I use is a Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. If I want to promise my whitening face cream that can give my customer up to 15 shade, my customer up to 15 shade, I use Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate. I use it on my skincare production. I also use Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. I use the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This is what I use now for my skincare production. For my face cream, my body lotion, my mulatto soap, my scrub, my shower bath. I dey put am. My customer they are coming. If you are doubting me, go and check my Instagram page. You know, Mommy Kira, I know they lie. I go tell una the way it be. I always tell you guys the way it is. I'm not all those TikTokers that we just want to sell. You know, when they pay them money to do advert for custom product, they just tell you, and I don't do that though. Mommy Kira, I don't do that though. I'll tell you guys the way it is. Product that works, product when they work, I will tell you. You understand? Product that is working, share, I will come out and say it. You understand? You see the way I talked about Compram years ago when it was working. When it stopped working, I still come out to tell you people. That is my lifestyle. You understand? Because I don't want to deceive my followers. This product works like fire. It's the number one, the champion. You that you are promising, you that you are producing, whether you with your base cream or whether with branded product or miss it. Any of your customer that is complaining that my product is not working. Your product, like if I use your face cream, I use your body lotion, you know they work. Don't bother yourself. Don't stress yourself. Just get them. Pour them inside. Mix them. Give it to them. They will come back. They will come back. Everybody wants to lighten up their skin. They want to whiten their skin. Customer want to also glow. You understand me? Yes. Don't stress yourself. Do your normal production. Pour it inside. Mix it and give it to your client. They will come back. You guys know Mommy Kira. When I bring updates, my update they sure. These updates they sure. Buy it. Use it. Beautiful. This is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. You know, this product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, to mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay? Chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay? So that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up because this product is the number one, the champion.